Hello, I'm Sasha Aranow, and I work in technical support here at Electronic Theater Controls, and I'd like to introduce you to ETCnomad. ETCnomad gives you the freedom to travel with your show and program on the fly. First, we have the ETCnomad key. It's small and will fit in your pocket and allow you to go anywhere. This will allow you to output ArtNet or streaming ACN from your PC or Mac running Eos family or Cobalt family software. Next, we have the ETCnomad Puck. This is purpose-built hardware that will allow you to output streaming ACN or ArtNet and also runs Eos family or Cobalt software. And now, introducing our programming wings. They are for Eos and Cobalt family. They connect via USB to your ETCnomad for PC or Mac, ETCnomad Puck, RVI, RPU, or Cobalt Light Server. They have a VESA mount and a Kensington lock. They also have a full I/O board. For more information, please refer to documentation. And now, 5 quick tips for Eos family on ETCnomad.
So I want to show you the quick things you need to do to get started in your Eos family system. The first thing I'm going to want to do is select either my Eos or my element. I'm going to log into Eos today. And I'm going to start up as a primary because I'm going to be outputting to my rig later. And I'm in. So the first thing I'm going to do is come in and open up my show. In the browser, just going to open my video shoot. Great. So now I want to go ahead and set up my frames. So I'll pop into the display menu, pick the frames that I want. I think on this side, I'm going to set up my focus palettes for the show. I like this layout for this screen, but I'm going to come over to my next workspace and add my magic sheet. I like that one. Now I'm ready to start programming. So I'm going to come on over, get back into Live, and open up my keypad. I'm going to go ahead and bring 1 through 13 at full. I'll close my keypad, and maybe I want to change the label on this focus palette. I'll just touch to get my label on the command line, and I'll type downstage right.
And now, 5 quick tips for Cobalt family on ETCnomad.
Now I've got to do some work on my Cobalt show file. The first thing I'm going to do is bring up my console mimic dock. I'm going to right mouse click on the menu of my dock and find console mimic dock. Now that I have that open, I can drag that dock wider so I can see my whole console face panel at once. When I want to duplicate the action of pressing and holding 2 keys on the face panel, I can use the control button on my keyboard. I'm going to put my channel display into a more standard format, and I'm going to start controlling individual channels. So I'm going to go back to my direct select dock. To make selections, I can either touch individual channels to add them to my selection, can press and hold to select a range of channels, or if I double hit a single channel, I get just that channel selected. When I've made the channel selection that I want, I can right mouse click anywhere in the live screen and get my commonly used tasks here, including my help function. And now I'm ready to control my lights. Cobalt has a lot of features, especially in the direct select dock, for ease of bringing up channels. For example, simply touch a group, press and hold, and move the intensity up. You can also press and hold and move it down to take those channels to a lower level. For individual device controls, it's just as easy. I'm going to bring up my device controls dock. In my device controls dock, I can see all of my parameters or individual categories. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and open my gobo film strip and grab the gobo that I want. That one looks nice. Great. I love those changes, and now I'm ready to play it back. So I'm going to come to my main Playback tab, and up at the top, I have all of my playback tools. Simply have to hit the go button, and the show is on.
Thank you for watching. For more information on ETCnomad, please visit etcconnect.com. Have a great day.